Hi friends, welcome back everyone, and today in this video I am coming up with a DLS tutorial how to score easily from corners in Dream League Soccer. First of all, I would like to say that you don't need any special players for this. You can do this even with your beginning squad perfectly. This trick is very simple and you can score most of the corners with this trick. Let's get to the video. Press the C button fully. Now gently make a good head pass to your teammate who is in a good position to score. As soon as he gets the ball, shoot it. Now let's watch some replays. Thank you guys for watching my video. Hope you liked my video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment.